Have you noticed that the battery icon on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can look a little different compared to older Galaxy phone? On many previous Samsung devices, the battery icon in the status bar always had a background set, but on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you have the option to remove that background if you prefer a cleaner look. Let me show you where to find this setting. First, open the setting app on your phone. Scroll down the screen. Next, tap notification. Then tap status bar. Inside this menu, there's an option called show battery background. If this option is enabled, the battery icon will appear with a background shape similar to what you might have seen on older Galaxy devices. But if you turn this option off, the background will disappear, giving the battery icon a simpler and cleaner look in the status bar. This small feature on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you customize the appearance of your status bar depending on whether you prefer a more classic look or a minimal design, and that's how you remove or restore the battery icon background on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.